Hello everyone. Today we're looking at an easy lab remote code execution via the web shell upload. Let's get started. We're going to my account, logging as a normal user Winnie and the password Peter. Now we can see a image upload functions. Now we're going to upload a PHP file where we we print the system command into the PHP file and then get the system to run the command that we injected. Now let's get started uploading. Desktop, evo.php, and then upload. And then we can see the evo.php file has been successfully uploaded. We're going back to our account, right click, copy the image address, paste it in, and enter. We can't see anything, but we go into our burp. We can see our GET request here, and then we put this request into repeater. Now we're going to call our variable here, parameter, question mark, command equals ID. We should be able to see who we are from the system. Now the web user is running as a Carlos. Now we're going to call another command, say who am I, similar. We'll see if it's running. Yes, it runs as Carlos. But what we can see is that the output has been duplicated. So now let's start cat percentage 20 as space percentage 2f and slash / then we want to see home Carlos / secret file. Yep. Now we got these strings, and we can see it starts with capital G1VL, and then we got capital G1VL. So we can see that they are duplicated. Now this is the code that we wanted. We copy it, we go back to the lab page, and we submit the code, and we're done. Congratulations, we solved the lab. Thank you very much. This is our lab today.